artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing bingo. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're back. This time we're gonna draw Bingo, that she's ready for Halloween and she's gonna be a ghost. I hope you like this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons like this one. Let's start in the middle of the paper. The first thing we're gonna do is mark where the nose is. And I wanna start here in the center and a little bit to the right, doing a little curve. After this curve, we're gonna do a longer curve, it's kind of like same shape. So I wanna go in a little in here and I wanna go around, passing this one and going back. Next, we're gonna do the eye, and it's a big oval shape. So I wanna leave a little bit of a space after this line, and we're gonna go doing a circle. I wanna go around, and it's more like an oval shape, okay? Now we're gonna go on the top, and I'm gonna make a half a circle that is gonna kind of have like the moon shape. I'm gonna go up here a little, and I wanna go around and connect down here. Now we're gonna draw the eye, and inside is just a small oval shape that we're gonna fill with black. Now let's do the other eye. This time the oval shape is gonna go around the nose. I wanna start here on top. We're gonna go around and go back down. And now this time I'm gonna do the other line outside of this one. So we're gonna start here on the top, and I'm gonna go around this one and connect with the nose. Next, I want to do the other oval shape. It's going to be just half of it. So I'm going to go over the nose and connect right here. And we're going to also fill this one with black. There. Now we're going to trace kind of like the head around it. I'm going to start on this side of the eye. And I'm going to go around and curve on the corner. So it's going to look like this. I want to go up. And I want to start curving around the eye. I want to go a little bit more straight over the two eyes, and I want to start curving when I get close to the other eye, and I want to go down. Now let's continue doing our line a little bit longer down, and I want to stop right there, and in the same thing on the other side. And if this line moves a little, that's okay, because remember, it's like a bed sheet, and it's okay if it moves. Actually, on this side, we're gonna draw a couple wrinkles. So I'm gonna go with a bump or a curve. Then we're gonna do kind of like a sideways C shape. And I'm gonna make a bigger C shape on this one that curves like this. Now on the other side, we're gonna do it differently. We're gonna do a longer line that goes to the right and then it curves back in. Okay, and now we're gonna join just the bottom by doing curves that go up and down, and it moves gently up and down until we reach to the other side. Okay, and we're gonna put a couple lines inside just to give it a little bit more like a texture to the fabric. We're just gonna do two curved lines right here. Next, we're gonna do the ears, and these are just gonna stick out of the bed sheet. So we're gonna do here a triangle that goes up and down, and it's gonna have a small triangle inside. Now let's do one more that goes up and down, and up and down. And there, that's it. We finished this bingo that is ready for Halloween. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how bingo looks like with the little bit of color we have to do. I add some gray to give this bed sheet some volume, and I add the orange around her eyes and on the ears. You can add more decorations around bingo. You can add some, I don't know, like bats or a moon or something, or you can even add here a pumpkin that she's carrying to grab all the candy. You can use your imagination to finish this picture. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.